Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Kiwi has been going up pretty much ever since market open. We are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, and we do have to be a little bit cautious though because the trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. I still think there's a pretty good likelihood that we're in a wave three right now, and if we really are in a wave three, this may just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which means we definitely want to still look for longs on shorter time frames. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I have no idea whether it's going to respect this 78% and start to move down or not. It potentially could keep on going up, which is why I'm not trying to sort it. I'm just saying that if and when it does make another three-way pullback, which I'm sure it will, whether it does it now or whether it does it later is the question. But when and if it does, that's exactly where I will be looking to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.